deployed a Next.js front-end application to DigitalOcean just for testing the Kubernetes, and I want to show it on the I want to record it. I forgot to record it. So let's see what I did yesterday here. I think we should have a load balancer. By the way, I'm using a free account, so I have created a load balancer here. So if I go to this address, I think the website will be loaded. Is it? I didn't set the port to port 3000, that's why it's not working. Okay, so here's the IP address of the load balancer. So the question is, can we you can see now I have a container. I have a container here named web-conmast. I also have a container locally, which I tagged to the DigitalOcean container registry. Let's wait for Docker to load up. Question is, can I create another similar project so that I don't have to, what the heck? So I don't have to delete this container. We can only create one container registry, so maybe I'll have to delete the container, delete the cluster. So I create a cluster and a container yesterday and deployed to 2 node balancer. Well, okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's see if there's a delete a container registry, web-conmast. Yes. So we have a cluster, right? Kubernetes. Wait, my PC is kinda slow. Phew. Create, let's say, web demo. This command is we are creating a container registry here on a DigitalOcean. Yeah, see, it's quite fast. We just created a registry, so we have to link the local image to the DigitalOcean registry. Let's see here. Okay, they said we log into a registry, paste it, logging in. Now here it says that we should run the following command to tag our local image to the DigitalOcean registry. So I will tag it. My app is called I'll check the image name again. Yeah, web-conmast. So I'll run tag web-conmast registry.digitalocean.com/ my registry name web demo and the name of the application. I'm going to use web Containerized. See if it works. Command tag Docker. It's not the DigitalOcean command line. We're using a wrong command. It should be Docker. Upload a local image to the registry. Docker push registry DigitalOcean ocean.com/web demo web Containerized. I'm just following everything here on the website. So once uploaded, we can log in to register from any machine, pull the image, registry, create running container. Okay, this one is we run on from port 80, connecting to port 80, using the container from the registry that we just tagged. This is what it means. We don't want to run it because we know that it's gonna work. We tested on a local computer using the same container locally before. So once we tagged everything and know that it's gonna work, we skip to create a cluster. So this is important. We have a container which has our running application in it. It's uploading, so and then we want to create a cluster that has instances of the container here to load our web application to the browser. Let's see. Oh, it's done. Then what's our next step? We want to create a cluster here. Just copy everything and then clear the terminal first. Paste it. See here. We want to create a Kubernetes cluster. We want to create a cluster and the name of our cluster. So first I want to change the tag here to demo. Max node, min node, auto scale, count, and the name of the pool is my demo pool. Okay. The tag demo. The name of the cluster, it should be web demo. Okay. We can read everything here. It's explaining what this command is doing. It's basically creating two nodes, and it scales from 1 to 3 depending on the traffic of the websites. Yep. Now once it's done, we create a cluster of the instance of our web application. We want to run it. This, I think we'll have to have a load balancer created. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, once we have our cluster, we want to authorize the cluster access. The cluster is still creating. It might take some time. Let's go to the cluster on the dashboard. Let's see if it's really creating here. Yeah. Okay, we can wait a little bit for it to finish. Okay, we're done. That took quite some time. Let's run this command now to authorize our cluster. Okay, created. Then we have here secrets uploaded, Next.js secret authentication token to when pulling image from a private registry and creating containers. I don't want to run like that. Just copy this thing. And here is a registry name. My registry name was web demo. No changed. To launch the app live in the cluster. Okay. This command is no, it's not right. That's why I don't wanna press copy directly. Not my Python app. It's a web context. Registry name is web demo. Create deployment, and I want to call it web demo. Is created. Run the Kubernetes get rs2 cr here replica set, and then we can get the pod to see if the pod is not ready yet. We can run again until it's ready. When the pod is loading up, next we can scale. Yeah, scale up the replica to 20. I'll just use 10. Deployment, not my Python app. It's web demo. Check the pod again. See, now we have 10 pods ready to creating to serve our web app. This is just to check if the pods are divided to the cluster correctly. Not my web demo. So here there's V1 and VZ nodes. You can see that it's divided to 2 nodes perfectly. Then okay, now we can create a load balancer to expose our deployment to the world. Okay, copy this, paste it. We know that the target port that we want to access. Now, let's see. We want to create a load balancer with port 30,000. Okay. We're exposed. Then I think we have something here. We expose the port and then check active status. So this load balancer is created. is being created until the IP is shown here. Then we can check. The dashboard says it's created. This is the newly created web demo. Yeah. This was the one created before, and it's accepting traffic fine. This is the recently created one. Let's see if the traffic is okay. We can check the dashboard. Kubernetes dashboard here. The service app, load balancer, the cluster IP, internal endpoint. Still collecting. Okay, it's accepting traffic now. Wow. Let's go to this IP address. And we have to specify the port 3000, which will load up our website. And it's, yeah, we have deployed Next.js application to DigitalOcean Kubernetes with load balancer. In the Kubernetes dashboard, we have 2 nodes running, and it's 36 a month. Yeah.